Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is showing you this natural hair ponytail, girl. You see it, we rocking it, okay? Okay, we loving this ponytail, girl. But no, this is not the ponytail that I will be rocking today. I've gotten a lot of comments on how I do my natural hair ponytail, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I do today. This is actually a Velcro ponytail, and I got it off of Amazon, I want to say, and I'll put the link down below. But it's a Velcro ponytail. It has one comb and the Velcro part along the little strip, and I'm just going to show you guys how to install it today. This hair is kinky straight, so I'm just going to show you guys. I already put up my ponytail. I slicked it up with my little edge control, the shook edge control. I'll put the link for that down below as well. And so I'm just going to go ahead and install the ponytail. Now I put the comb in front of the ponytail, and then I just go ahead and wrap the little Velcro piece around the ponytail, and I just keep that hair from the Velcro piece. I just keep that hair going all the way around until the very end, where I just keep going and going all the way around until I just tuck that little tiny piece that's left. I just go ahead and tuck that right underneath the hair, and boom, the ponytail is installed, sis. And if you want to just leave it like that, honey, we ready to go. Okay, we could just go right now. And I mean, it really looks, you know, pretty cool. I love the texture. I love that it resembles my natural hair texture. So, and it matches my hair color perfectly. Like, I really love this ponytail, and it's so versatile and easy to install. You can literally be ready to go in 5 minutes. Okay, I haven't flat ironed it or anything like that when I got it, because I just like it straight. But today we're gonna add a few curls with this wand curler, and it's by Remington. I got it from my local beauty supply. You can pick it up at your local beauty supply, or you can find an even better one, because I think this one's a little cheaper. But there are the little wand curls in my ponytail, and I didn't really want to add too many curls, because I'm not really big on putting curls on the straight hair, because I really liked it in the straight texture. But I'm just going to bump it with a few little curls today, and that's really how I style this ponytail. I don't do much to it, because it's just my go-to whip on whip off type thing, girl. You know, when I'm ready to go, I need to go. So that is really what I do, is I just put it on and go. So the curls are mainly for you guys, bumping and curling, you know. Okay, if you don't like to wand curl, you can easily use another curler, or you could just flat iron it, like super bone straight, if that's what you want to do. As far as my real hair, I just go ahead and let it sit underneath the ponytail, and I don't wrap it around or anything like that. I just sit it underneath there, and you can't see it at all. So that's how that goes. So here I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm just going to take a piece of hair, and I'm going to wrap it around the wand curlers, hold it there for a few minutes so that the curl holds. And I'm not using any product on this ponytail, because I don't really like to use too much product, and I had already put in some leave-in conditioner on this ponytail before, so I don't like to use too much product on my hair. So I just wrap it around the wand curler, let it sit there for a minute, heat up, and boom, there is a little curl. ahead and add some more extra curls at the top just to give it a little extra volume and bump. I like big hair, so definitely going to do that. And the curls are going to be a little bit more poppy. Okay, girl. So as you can see, my wand curler wasn't hot enough in the beginning, so it's kind of not holding the curl. The hair is kind of not holding the curl, which is something that I kind of hate about kinky straight hair. Sometimes it holds the curl, sometimes it doesn't, but you have to go back in and re-curl all over again, which is another reason why I do not curl this hair often. But I'm going to get it together, hunty, and we just gonna make this work, make this look fly and popping, okay? Another reason why the hair isn't curling all the way together because I'm using large portions of hair that I'm trying to curl at one time, but I'm just like, I really didn't want to curl this hair. I'm just doing it for the sake of the video, so I was just trying to bump some little nice pretty curls at the end. But it is what it is, and you guys see that the curls do come out pretty once they hold. So now I don't want to do too much, but I did take a few strands of the curls, separated them a little bit just to give a little bit more volume, but it kind of didn't work out that way, so I kind of stopped doing it. And yeah, I just left the curls in their own little state in the front half of my hair, so you can see that the curls are still cute and popping, and I love the sheen and shine of this hair. But I do love this look though. It is so cute and chic, and the ponytail is high and big. I love big hair again. So as you can see, the back did not curl as well, but that's okay. I fix it later in another video, but I didn't record it here, so that's okay. You guys get the understanding that this ponytail can be popping with a few little curls added with a curler. Like this video, definitely go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have worked with this kind of Velcro ponytail before, and if you guys like this style. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday with so many tips and tricks that you guys don't want to miss, so make sure that you hit that red subscribe button. As always, stay beautiful and blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.